In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host API on Hostinger. By the end, you'll have your API files online, the correct document root set, and the right PHP version chosen so your endpoints respond reliably. We'll start in hPanel, which is Hostinger's control panel. Log into your hosting account and open the hPanel for the website where the API will live. If you manage more than one site, make sure you're inside the correct hosting plan so the changes apply to the right domain. Next, open File Manager. You'll find it on the main dashboard. While you could use an external FTP client, File Manager is the quickest way to get your code onto the server without extra configuration. Keep it open in a new tab so you can switch back and forth as needed. Now navigate to the folder where the API should be served from. By default, the main domain points to public HTML. If your API will run on a subdomain, use that subdomain's folder instead. When a subdomain already exists, hPanel creates a dedicated directory for it. Choose the location that matches how you plan to access the API, whether that's yourdomain.com or something like api@yourdomain.com. Let's upload the app. The easiest approach is to zip your project locally, then upload that single archive to the chosen folder. In File Manager, click Upload, select your file, and once it's there, use the extract option to unpack everything on the server. After extraction, confirm your API's entry point is in the correct place, typically an index.php or a public directory, depending on your framework. If your project uses dependencies, make sure the vendor or required libraries are present so the API can run. Keep sensitive configuration out of the web root when possible, and avoid exposing files like environment configs to the public. With the files in place, set the document root to point exactly where your API's public index lives. For a subdomain, open its settings in hPanel and adjust the document root to the folder that contains your API's public-facing files. For the main domain, the default is public HTML. If your API's public directory sits inside a subfolder, update the document root accordingly so requests land in the right spot. Finally, set the PHP version. In hPanel, open the PHP configuration and choose the version required by your framework. While you're there, enable any needed extensions such as curl, mbstring, PDO, and OpenSSL and save your changes. In production, it's wise to disable display errors and rely on logs for troubleshooting. At this point, visit your domain or subdomain and hit a test endpoint. If you see the expected JSON response, your API is live on Hostinger.